Jorden, and I'm from SDS Kollegal and currently studying in class 9. So today I'm going to show you my exhibit, which is the spiderweb dust collection system. So basically how it will let me first tell you the materials needed for the making of spiderweb dust collection system. So the first is the ball head, and the second is the plastic funnel, and the third is the LED lights, which I will tell you its use later, and the fourth is the PVC pipes and the PVC joints, and lastly the PVC cap. So let me tell you its function. So the ball head is used to collect the spider web and the spider, and the plastic funnel is used as a collector to when you swipe all the spider web, the dust will eventually fall into this plastic funnel, and you can also see that there are holes. So the holes are made because for the dust to pass through the holes and eventually stored in the cap, and by easily removing it, you can just store it and remove it just like this. And just imagine there's no source of light at all, and if you or if the roof is too high and you can't see cleanly enough, you can just use the flashlight to clean it, just like that. And what are the principles behind my project? So there are two principles mainly, and which is gravity and airflow. So you may ask, how's gravity? So gravity works as when I swipe all the spider web and the spiders, because of the gravity, the dust will all eventually fall down and be stored in the plastic funnel. So and then the second principle is airflow. Because of the airflow, you can also, as I already mentioned, there are holes, several holes. Because of the air continuously flowing, the dust stored here will pass through the holes, and as I already mentioned, it will be stored here, and you can just easily move it, just like this. And yeah, so it's mainly used in unused building, and it helps to maintain cleanliness and dust-free environment. And yeah, that's it. So we didn't spend lots of money on this, and we the most of the parts were already at my home or school, so we combined all this and made the spiderweb dust collection system. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.